Is managing your business finances stressing you out? Are you spending more time on bookkeeping than growing your business? You're not alone. Many business owners struggle with keeping their financials organized. At TaxAce, we offer customized QuickBooks training and consulting services that simplify your business finances. Our hands-on training ensures you and your team can confidently manage your books, track your expenses, and make sense of your financial reports, all with the power of QuickBooks. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or want to enhance your team skills, our expert training sessions cover everything you need to know. We'll teach you how to set up accounts, process invoices, reconcile your books, and generate detailed financial reports, giving you full control over your finances. With the right training, you'll be able to make informed decisions, keep your finances in check, and reduce costly mistakes. But we don't stop at training. Our consulting services help you go deeper into your business's financial data. Whether you're looking to improve cash flow, reduce overhead, or plan for future growth, we'll show you how to use QuickBooks' powerful features to make better financial decisions. With expert consulting, you can leverage your financial data to create strategies that grow your business. Ready to simplify your bookkeeping and gain control over your finances? Contact TaxAce today to schedule your free consultation. Let us show you how QuickBooks can transform your business, saving you time and money. Get started today with TaxAce, your QuickBooks experts. Book your free consultation today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.